Good morning, good evening sa inyo. As you can see, we have a bad weather today. Maulan po. Good morning guys. Ito si Mama Jane. Maulan po ngayon dito sa amin. Yung mukha ko, wala pa akong suklay. Nagigising ko lang kasi po. Kukuha kasi ako ng in-order ko na muledo, tsaka pili nut candy at ipapadala ko mamaya sa LBC. So, nag-order sa akin. Kaya kunin natin. Sobrang ulan po dito. Ito na naman tayo sa maulan naming way. Maulan dito sa amin. At mamaya I'm going to LBC to send the order. Hello guys! Mag-deliver po ako ngayon sa LBC. Maulan po dito. So, ang daanan ko ngayon, mag-deliver po tayo. Pupunta po tayo ng city. So, ito po ang daanan ko ngayon kasi maulan dito. Ayan po. We have a bad weather today. So, this is it. This is my way going to Legazpi. Going to the city. As you can see the Mount Mayon volcano. I bring the order. I'm going to send it to LBC. Hello! This is Mama Mary Jane. Going to send the delivery at LBC. Ayan po. Bumabaha na naman. Dala ng masamang panahon sa araw na to. Anyway guys, I try to speak English. Maybe please understand my words. Someone told me to try to speak English because they are not understand what I'm talking about. So I will try to speak English little by little. Okay. Hello, I cut the video because someone is arrived, so I'm shy. So this is the day today. Yeah, the day today. Maybe time. So I need to be slowly. Well, actually, it's a beautiful place here. So I'm going to wait a car. And I'm going to wash my food to my friend's house. This is my friend's house. Here I'm going to wash my feet. Ate! Makianaw! Guys, naka-shoes na ako. Already here at the nandito po ako sa Albay sa Cathedral Church. Yan po, nasa Cathedral Church po tayo. Nagpa-prayer si Mama Jane. Magtitingo na po tayo. I'm already done for praying. I'm going to my friend. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa panonood ng YouTube video namin ng aking mahal na baby na si Uzi. Ayan, siya po ang baby ko. At siya naman si Mochi. See you po sa next video. God bless po. Bye-bye. You say bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye. Thank you.